Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy aDudemanbro Investments, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Just bringing you another video. This is actually going to be part 2 of my 2024 presidential election picks for this whole entire year. I hope you're enjoying the content. If you wouldn't mind leaving a comment, smashing that like button, or checking out any of the links in the description below, that would really be awesome. But anyway, let's jump right into the video here. Alright, so I have a lot to talk about today, so let's bring up a few things. The first thing I want to bring up is the Bitcoin ETF. As of right now, we have roughly 13, I believe, applicants for the Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, just to name a few here. And I believe this is really big news for Bitcoin. Historically speaking, and this is just regarding gold, but gold prices rallied about 250%. I do believe that they went down by 10 to 15% prior to the 200% rally. They rose by 250% after the gold ETFs launched. So this is just amazing news for Bitcoin, I believe. I believe 2024 is going to be really crazy. I think we're going to get to all-time highs, and I'm very excited because I've been just buying a little bit here and there, roughly about $50 to $100 a week, because I do think not this year, but 2025 is going to be the year that it doubles / maybe not even 2.5x its amount. So what I want to bring up, a few things here with the Bitcoin ETF. One of the biggest, money managing companies in the world, BlackRock, they've been approved over 423 ETFs, I believe, at this moment, and they roughly handle, $9.4 trillion in money. They're in the business to make money. They're not trying to lose money. I think that this ETF means that they are very bullish on Bitcoin. I think that we are not going to even remotely see that until the next year, but this is big for Bitcoin, I believe. I believe that we will possibly see some pullbacks because, if these money makers, money movers want to get in, they want to get in lower. So I do believe there is a little bit of manipulation going on that front. But I believe, like I said, they're in the business to make money, not to lose money, and they have to buy that Bitcoin to have it for their ETF. I don't have to say anything else. That is a super bullish, just narrative right there. All right. Along with that, you also have the Bitcoin halving, which, if we just bring this up right here, we have roughly 102 days. I say that roughly because it depends on how many Bitcoin are actually mined per day. But we see about 102 days until the Bitcoin halving. My theory is what's going to happen here. And historically speaking too, with Bitcoin, it's the next year after the actual halving is when Bitcoin shoots up crazy. I believe that we will see all-time highs in 2024 before or around the halving. I see personally roughly about $70,000, $65,000. It right there. It's gonna go above all-time highs last, but I don't think that this is the real big push that we're gonna see for Bitcoin. That is personally why I've been just putting money into Bitcoin every week. I see an easy 2x, if not 3x, from where we are now. And if you're putting $50 in, that's $150 if you just put in a little bit of money each week. And that's some easy money. You can even take that out and put that into the stock market if you want. But regardless speaking, the halving is a really big deal because it's less coins that are coming out into circulation. That's less money for Bitcoin miners, and definitely going to probably make some go out of business. But all around, for everybody that's just been hodling, I believe that is very bullish news for all of us. And that also leads back to Mara and Riot, which I can see them going up crazy. If you took options on them for next year, I bet you would make a decent amount of money just right there. Next thing I want to bring up is also with the Bitcoin ETF, you also have ethereum ETF. And for the people that asked what I mined last year when I did open kind of a mining business, I mined mostly ethereum, But I did do a few coins such as Ergo, and there's just so many to throw out there, but there were a lot. I believe that Ethereum has been lagging behind. It's the biggest altcoin ever as of right now. Solana has been on its tails, but it's like the silver to Bitcoin's gold. In commodities is what I think. Everyone uses it. It's the biggest and easiest to use, and I believe this is bullish for Ethereum. Plus, if you have an ETF, also same thing goes for Bitcoin ETF. These companies aren't going to make ETFs if they are not making money, or if they don't plan on making money with it. You also have the Denkun upgrade, and that is to the layer 2 coins, and that's where I'm most bullish on Ethereum too. I do hold Ethereum in my wallet, throwing it out there, but I believe that layer 2 coins will probably see the biggest increase within the first quarter of 2024. And such as OP, ART, you also have Loop Ring, such as those coins, I believe are going to be seeing huge adoption / they're going to be using them for layer 2s. Most people don't know about layer 2s, but you can save a huge amount of money if you convert ETH to those layer 2s and send it instead of using the main network. Ethereum burns off all of its fees that it uses. Yes, it's crazy expensive, but if you hold it, it might not be for somebody who wants to trade it. It's definitely not a trader coin. It is more for hodlers. You have crazy network fees, and that's definitely why a lot of people are going to different chains for their meme coins, such as Solana, BNB, which I believe is going to be a huge player in the next bull run too, because it's one of the cheapest to actually trade meme coins. But it's more for hodlers. Institutions aren't going to be bothered with $30 transfer fees. They could care less. They're spending hundreds of millions of dollars on Ethereum at one time, so they could care less. But the Denkun upgrade will actually allow layer 2s. It's what's known as proto-dank sharding, and it actually allows the layer 2s to be able to send money and do more transactions per second, which is actually really bullish for the Ethereum network, I believe. That's why look out for Loop Ring, ART, and OP, just to name a few. There are a lot others. You should definitely do your own research. You should definitely be, trusting your own. Don't just take whatever any YouTuber says. Do your research, and definitely let's make some money together for sure. The very last thing I want to bring you is Solana. A lot of you guys have probably been looking and noticing Solana has been crazy. It's I actually personally own it too. I bought it at about 17, and then I filled my bag at about 21. I don't have a crazy amount, but I filled what I could at the moment, which I hold around 20 Solana that I bought at about $20 a coin, which it comes down to basically. And it's been on a crazy run. People are like, oh, it's going down, it's not going to do that well. It varies, but at a transaction level for sure. Security is one of those things that are up in the air, but it's newer to Ethereum though. You can't really compare something that's been out for so much longer than Solana at the moment. But the transaction fees and the transaction, how fast it goes is just outrageous. I definitely do believe that we will see all-time highs for Solana. Plus we have Fire Dancer, which is a whole new thing. It's supposed to 10x the transaction speed and the validator update. So, I think that we will easily see, 2x from where we're at right now. I personally am just staking it. I'm taking a little bit out here and there. I did take a little bit of profit, and I do suggest if anything goes 200% or more, like how mine went from 20 to, I believe I sold at about $108. That's a 4x your gain. I took a little bit of a profit right there just to be able to put into another chain and project that I really like. So those are just a few things that I like. I want to say thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you for the new subscribers I've been having. I do appreciate everything you guys do, and I definitely wouldn't be here without you, so I really appreciate it. If you want to check out any of the links down below, or Coinbase if you don't have a wallet, I will be doing a lot more videos based on crypto because that's what I'm most passionate about at the moment. I think that penny stocks can run in 2024, but compared to crypto, I think that crypto will be crazy in 2024 to a little bit of penny stocks in 2024. But anyway, leave a comment down below what you want to see more of. I do plan on covering meme coins and how I find them. I have been trading and making a good amount of money on a few different coins that I've been finding here and there. So just leave some love in the comments below. Smash that like button. Share the video if you wouldn't mind. And, till next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.